what it do. So I'm making this video basically to let you guys know what to do after you get your CDL license. So there's typically a bunch of ways for you to make money after you get your CDL license, of course. It just depends on what you're comfortable on doing and what you're comfortable on achieving and what goals you have set for yourself. So I would say for the typical CDL Class A driver, the way, in my opinion, would be to go over the road. Now, if you're a young guy, no family, it's just you, it's easy money. You get the experience straight out of school. Find a company that will hire new CDL Class A drivers that are willing to train you. Do the 2 weeks course or 1 week course that they have. Then you go over the road with a trainer for about a month or so. Then they set you out on teams or solo, regional, over the road, or even in some companies might put you local. But in my opinion, that best way to get that experience is over the road, hands down. There's no other way to get that experience. You get those long drives. I mean, practice makes perfection. So driving 11 hours out of the day, or 10 and a half hours out of the day, or 10 hours out of the day with a half an hour break is the most practice you could get 5 days a week, 6 days a week over the road for a month straight, 2 months straight, 3 months straight if you do that over the road. And then from there, after you get your 2-3 months on, I mean, listen, you're gonna be so comfortable with a truck. When you get inside of a car, it's gonna be like a little bumper car. You know what I mean? So yeah, in my opinion, that's the best way to go for a typical or an average first time, CDL Class A driver. So now if you have kids, or if you have money to put down to get your own truck, and you want to go and get your own truck straight off the rip, it's going to be difficult because insurance companies typically want some experience. They'll give you a hard time to get you onto their insurance, or they'll give you a hard time to, I don't know, with everything. They'll charge your arm and a leg for everything. That's the best way to put it. Now, if you lease onto a company with your own truck, you might have a little bit more benefits, or do a lease purchase program through a company to start building your way to get a truck, which is okay, cool, because now you're getting the experience and you're actually building your way onto owning your own truck. And that's something that they can never take away from you, from experience wise. So that would be the way I would go fresh out of CDL school. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll come back with some more videos. Alright, everybody, be safe, love, and enjoy your family.